Dom here from Essential RC. Thanks for tuning in for part 3 of our flight test of this fantastic new P-51 from FMS. 1100mm wingspan, 4S 2700 pack in there. It's got the gyro stabilisation as well. I fly in optimised mode because it's really good for ironing out the bumps and the gusts and the turbulence from the wind that we'd get here off the trees. Flies really nicely. Using my Radio Master TX16S with this, with an X8R FR Sky receiver in there. So here we go. It does look good. Right, switched on optimised now, because it is a little bumpy.
1 minute.
Superb. Just cuts through the air, this thing. Bet that looks big in the frame, didn't it, coming towards you, Carl?
Especially when I'm zoomed in.
Yeah. Superb. Axial rolls. Look at that. Or 4-point rolls. Woohoo!
I thought I'd zoom out that time and catch it. I still didn't catch it, even zoomed out.
We'll try that again, shall we? This is testing your camera skills.
Gotcha.
Just fantastic. So let's slow it down now. Half flap.
Flap 1.
Cut in early. So stable, fast and slow.
Could do with some mud guards under there, couldn't it?
Yeah, look. Really pick up the grass underneath. I mean, landing is just another part of the flight, isn't it? And being able to ace the landing on a tail dragger, I think it's one of the most difficult things, like a Spitfire. Very difficult to land scale models like that are tail draggers. But it wouldn't be fun unless it was challenging. That's why I enjoy it so much. So thanks for watching this Essential RC flight test. We'll be back with many more over the coming months, despite it being winter. We've got lots more coming up on Essential RC. So if you enjoy what we do, then please subscribe. And if you do, click the bell icon for notifications and give us a thumbs up. And I don't ever mention this. We also have the concept of members on YouTube. If you contribute as a member, I think it's like £2 a month, something like that. Not a lot, it's not a lot of money. Then you get access to all the other videos that we have already uploaded but not made public yet. Now, why is that? It's because literally I filmed so much during the year together with Carl and Jason and James. We upload a lot of footage, but we can only really make one video per day public. But if you would like to see more Essential RC, then please become a member, support us. Everything that we make from the channel, we put back into the channel to make it better. Like, for example, we did get a complaint, shall I say, is that the right word, about the sound sometimes, that myself and Carl, you can't hear us clearly sometimes. So I've got a wireless kind of dual microphone system that's arrived that I'm going to use on future videos. It all goes to help us improve the content for you that are watching our videos. We really care about it. So thanks for watching again. Thanks again to Carl on camera.
Cheers.
And we'll be back soon on Essential RC. See you next time. That's a lot of fun, isn't it? Love that.
Gotcha.